Keyboard came out well over 10 years ago, and I was surprised that it's still being sold today in 2021. I've had it for a couple of years, but I haven't even peeled off the plastic and the sticker here. I didn't use it often, as it was my backup keyboard, but enough to give you my 2 cents on it. The Logitech K800 is a full-size keyboard. Some people may not like the large form factor, but I prefer it having the numpad here. It has a length of 17.8 inches and a width of 7.7 inches. The keyboard itself is on the thin side at just under 1 inch. The frame is entirely built from plastic. The all-around clear edge accent and white sides give it a nice look. The weight is 1.98 pounds or 900 grams. It has 8-degree inclined feet for adjusting to a more comfortable angle. The K800 has a good amount of depth of 7.7 inches as I mentioned. That's because of the fixed wrist rest, which is nice for that ergonomic typing experience. It doesn't have the best build quality, but I'll give it a 7 out of 10, which is decent. It's not one of those sturdy mechanical gaming keyboards, but it's good for casual use. Typing on the Logitech K800 feels natural, comfortable, and fluid. You get the tactile feel without the clicky noise of typing in quiet environments. The total travel distance for the switches is 3.2 millimeters. There are dedicated volume controls on the K800 with volume up, down, and mute keys. There is also a key to launch the calculator app for fast access. There are also a number of hotkeys for media, illumination, and web search shortcuts, but they are not dedicated and require a function key to be pressed first. This is a backlit illuminated keyboard, which is a feature you're missing out on if you don't have it on your current keyboard. The keys are brightly lit. The keyboard also automatically adjusts the backlighting based on the environmental conditions, but you can adjust it manually to suit your needs. Another feature with the backlighting is that the keyboard has built-in sensors to detect your hands as they approach the keyboard to turn the backlight on or off, giving you extra juice with the battery life. On paper, it says you can get up to 10 days with normal use. I can't confirm or deny that, as it wasn't my daily driver. To charge it, plug in the included micro USB cable for 3 to 6 hours to get a full charge. There is a power on and off switch, but I never turn it off. The K800 uses Logitech's proprietary 2.4 GHz wireless technology. A unifying USB receiver is plugged into your computer for plug-and-play connectivity without having the need to install any drivers. To customize some of the keys on the keyboard, you can use Logitech's options software, but it is limited to the keys that can be customized and you can only choose from presets. I've had many Logitech keyboards in the past, and none of them ever disappointed me. The K800 is no exception. It's not the best quality keyboard, nor does it have all the bells and whistles, but it's priced right as it's on sale now for $60. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you got value out of it, hit the thumbs up like button, subscribe, and click the bell icon to be notified of any new content I put out. Let me know in the comment section below what keyboard you use. I'll tech you up later.